Whoever they spoil my name, I tension follow it. When I enter, then what they do is play right and left to the center. When I remember waiting they plan for me, I wanna go. They want to buy the boy, but I'm gonna go better. Oh na na na. My mama call me say, now one day you go blow. Jejely cut my coat, so I day my day. I follow who know the road. Oh na na na. If you no be God, yo, I've done it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ali Marshall, make some noise! Wow. Please, the crowd, if you want to move forward, please, can you come forward right now? I know say that one day shout here, una need that, may una come. Make una they come, please, from the back. Ladies and gentlemen, Ali Marshall, give it up for Pami Dele. Ladies and gentlemen, to come on to perform today, give it up for this young man, looking so sharp. Give it up for James!
You never go away, so I guess I gotta stay. Now I hope someday I'll make it out of here, even if it takes one night or 100 years. Either way, but I can't find one near, wanna be alive outside. I can't find my fears. Isn't it lovely?
Ladies and gentlemen, I have a secret. I have a secret. When this guy came in today, he said, hey, bros, I beg, we have to change. I don't know, say he won't change in voice, because when he came, he was talking like an agro. And don't know say voice go change yet. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for this wonderful lady. She goes by the name Abiodo. Put your hands together, Halima Shah. Careful.
It's not that easy with you, yeah. But I know I want you to stay. See, this could be us in a few years. But just tell would you like to play? It's like every day I'm picking bombs. I could fly away, but you got me at a complete stop. How do you manage to keep me going? But somehow you keep me from going. See, you distract me, but I'm distracted without you. I don't know how to focus, baby, teach me how to. Cause I'm standing still again. But if you love me, just like the way that I love you, I wouldn't mind a little comforting from you. Why do I let you in my ear?
Give it up for Abiodo. Halima Shah, are you ready? Are you ready? Give it up for the next contestant. She goes by the name Ore Olua. A round of applause, Halima Shah.
Steady your face, shuffle. I wanna take a picture, so this can last long before. Take my secret, got them like precious money. I never want to hear you quiet, so I write songs for you. Yes, I write songs for you. And I believe, yes, I believe I'm falling for you like a thief beginning this. Cause when I see you, I feel to steal the keys to your heart again. Yes, I believe I'm falling for you like a thief beginning this. Cause when I see you, I feel to steal the keys to your heart again. Cause my baby's fine, it's good, it's all the things I need. He busts up the silence, so he busts up the silence, so.
Halima Shah, are you enjoying this? If you're enjoying this, say MTN! Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Damilola Ladies and gentlemen, she is wonderful. Halima Shah, put your hands together for her once more. Are we enjoying this? Una sure? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Emmanuel Ogwaja.
Nobody sent you out for love, I pay for you, my friend.
own version. You know, sometimes it be like say, hungry they catch us. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the young girl, very dynamic. Give it up for Sharon. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Sharon. So come on stage right now. Make some noise for Ayo. I know you number one. Something about you gotta make me lose my sense. I like your way. I see you from the trenches. You got me hypnotized, baby. I can't explain. Keep up with the juju and pray no go feel. Oh shit, you all over me, bro. Oh shit, while I may be pico. Oh shit, oh you too pretty. Do your DBT, Nicky. You all over me, bro. While I may be pico. Oh you too pretty. Do your DBT, Nicky. Let me whisk you away. Oh no, baby. I've been a brandy, you want your way. Somebody's not go follow me, go. I know the part, I just need to everything of you, it makes sense. Allow me flex, baby, Zumba Laja. Make I kick you from behind. Baby, no. Alimotion, give it up for Ewa. All the 10 contestants, please can we come back on stage? The 10 contestants, please. Thank you. One time, go ahead.
Always remember to fall asleep with a dream and wake up with a purpose.
When I say MTN, you say everywhere you go. MTN! MTN! How you go feel like now? Make I give you an umbrella. How not go see him?
It go fit you.
You say what?
It go fit you.
It go fit me. Not be me one user than you now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, make I give out 4 umbrellas. Shapali. Hey, mommy. MTN! Una don't hear me. MTN! If I I give you this umbrella, I have to use that to protect yourself. Oh yeah, you take one. Wait, see, don't rush am. Don't rush am, don't push am. Don't spoil am. Oh yeah, open am, open am. That to open might be the essence. Open am. Bros, don't drag it, please. Open it. Open it. Open. Bros, open. Make a touch it one more. Two, okay.
This side. You know this me here.
Bros, I beg, let me give them a wavy and carry. Let me give the idea again. Mommy don't tell me, say she don't talk, that's why I don't give her.
Yes, so. That's a come side.
So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome me. DJ, break it down. Alright, this was the first guy that first performed. So, bros, this guy will come out now. The question now, waka or stay? Are you ready? Bros, yeah. Let's go. Okay, waka or stay? Waka or stay? All right, Auntie, join in. No, stay. Join in. Join. Stay there. Waka or stay? Waka or stay? Waka or stay? Waka or stay? Okay. To make it look well. When I say waka or stay, if you want me waka, raise your hand. Waka or stay? Raise your hand, huh? Now want me stay? Waka or stay? Stay, okay. Waka or stay? Waka or stay? All right, madam, thank you. Don't clap for her, no daisy. Waka or stay? Waka or stay? Waka or stay? Waka or stay? I dey hear waka, I dey hear stay. Una dey confuse my career. Waka or stay? Waka or stay? Waka or stay? Hey! Well, my oga go come help me.
We are not living here today. If we continue to do waka or stay, we have out of this 10. Now only 2 people you get power. We're giving power to the people, but let's not misuse the power. We have only 2 people. So if you keep saying waka, we just be saying waka, nice. So when they say waka, be genuine about who you are supporting. Waka is waka, stay, let them go.
My brother, I don't hear her. See, wait. More talk and more hear ourselves. Then be 10. Listen, bros. Then be 10. Inside this 10, when I get power to choose 2. Inside this 10. Oh yeah, the rest of us join. Come. May not join us. Auntie. Oh my God. DJ, thank you. Waka or stay? Waka or stay? This auntie come here. Waka or stay? Waka or stay? Una no hear wetin my oga talk. We no go comot here. The audience una get power for 2 persons. May na no let us carry power comot give judges o. If we give judge, na dem go pick the 3 o. So may na 2 we want to say all these people 2. I'm doing it again. Waka or stay? Waka or stay? Waka or stay? Waka or stay? Thank you. I beg me na clap for am, e no dey easy. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. I dey hear stay, I dey hear waka. But I dey confuse my ear. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Thank you, Auntie. Thank you. Thank you. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. These people are wow. Waka or stay. I'm starting all over again. Waka or stay. Una no dey hear me. We go carry this power comot to give judges so. We don't give una power to select two. Una dey misuse am. Only two persons that we need for here.
Wait.
Men are here. Men are pushing them and ourselves. No, they say white.
Okay.
Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Thank you, Auntie. Thank you. Waka or stay. Una don't start again. Una don't start again. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Thank you. Una don't they do well now. God no go let them collect power for you and give devil. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Thank you. I'm having a plan for now.
No, I know they collect our
It is been waiting.
Yes, sir.
It is been waiting for. Una get power to select two. Judges get power to do it in select one. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Okay, they go now. Then they say waka, you dey look like saying the landlord.
That guy
Stay.
Bring him back.
Waka or stay. Stay, Abby. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. They won't give me, they say make she stay. Ogasa.
We don't swear we now.
One person has to go.
Yes.
Judges, we can bring one, come back. You don't consign me.
Yes, so.
Waka or stay.
What we are going to do now is the judges will pick one off and also replace with another person. Thank you.
No.
Now.
No, we said it. No.
So the judges, just tell us who you are taking off and who you are replacing with. Thank you.
But they're already three. Now where are they changing them?
Up to you,
They are
judges.
three now. Let them dance and pick the first two.
Him and this guy.
It's not done like that anywhere. Except you don't behave like
DJ, bring it down. The judges.
Let them see
Thank
their
audience,
face.
audience,
No,
please.
the
Please.
judges go
Let
down.
them know first.
This is Alimasho.
Criteria that we have and the scores for each of the contestants. I apologize, I can't remember their names, so I will describe. We let the girl go. She's fantastic, but she can be
So
better.
that's what we told you.
So the girl on the stage can go.
Yes, man, you're right.
Guys, they're very talented.
I love the judges. We love you. We told you. We get to
Please,
go.
audience.
We bring
We are
back
not
the
school
girl
there,
in blue.
yeah.
Apologize, I forget her name now.
The girl in blue.
Yes, we are not school here. We are not school there.
Thank you.
The guy in blue can leave. This one, sexy. Give me umbrella bros now.
Y'all say on the beach.
sẹ́ mama ṣe nǹkan má forí lówó láàyè mama tún kan ìgbà tí má jẹ́ nítorí má mú gàrí lé lórí mo fẹ́ ṣe kí ni mo fẹ́ kí kò mí lé èmi mọ̀ pé mo fi lẹ́ má kọ́lé mọ́ lẹ́ má dàgbà má dògbò ọmọ bí mà bówó ní ilé ìgbà tí mo lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀tà má